Good Tuesday afternoon. Got a box. Got this, ordered this X-Wave 5-inch FPV system from Motion. I think they drop ship it though. Let's see. And yet, when it shipped, it like came from the West Coast. Alright, so we got a box. Comes in a nice black case. It's pretty nice. I like it. Let's see what's in the carrying case. Aha! Pretty cool. Hope you can see this. Sometimes I think better than messing with boxes is messing with plastic stuff. Oh, it's a camera. That's the case the camera comes in. That's pretty cool. There you can see the little camera. Sweet. Let's see if we can take it out. Okay, so it has good. Because I bought 3 different kinds of pigtails. I bought one for EC3, one for HT60. And one for Dean's. Those are the batteries I have. All of them but the EC3s came with a male plug for that, for the camera. Cool. They give you plenty of cable too. That's good. Put that back in the box. It's nice. It's got a nice positive snap. Well, that's nice. I love it when you pull stuff out of the package and it all falls apart. Well, there's nothing holding the cap on the antenna. It just oh well. That'll need a little work, eh? And here's the goggles. Don't want to put them in the sunlight. They look pretty good. They look like they're going to work well. There you go. I don't want to get... You should never shine the sun inside your goggles. There, it's got a place for a memory card. So I wonder if you can record. Yeah, you can. Cool. I like that. I need a micro card. I'll get a micro card, pick that up tomorrow at the PX at lunch. Let's put that in there so you can record. Cool. It's 5-point. So you get, I forget what that antenna is called, but omnidirectional here. There's got to be a way if you line these up right. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Problem solved. I don't think I'll put them back in that plastic bag. Cool. Well, there you go. I mean, it seems quality. This feels like quality. It's nice and padded. I like if you can record. That's pretty cool. Double antenna. Built-in 3.7 2000 milliamp high capacity battery. Cool. Huh. Has I don't know if you can see. You can get the instruction manual off of there, but cool. So it has 5 bands and 8 channels, it looks like. Cool. Wow. DVR. I'll have to record my first. I was worried about recording it because I didn't really want to mount the camera too. Cool. Seems pretty nice if you ask me. I mean, the quality, it doesn't feel cheap or anything like that. Here, I'm gonna take. It's got a pretty big hole. I don't know if you can see that hole right there. So, you know, pretty much the bottom of your nose is sticking out of that hole. Cool. I think it's going to work well. Well, I'm not going to keep it on too long, this video, but Zod. No, COHD. Huh. It's got 400 milliamp. If you want to use that much power, I don't think I won't use that much power. I'm not going to fly. I'm not going to fly very far away. Cool. And it's got a audio. It looks like audio or video out. Audio out probably. Maybe video. I'm not sure. Cool. There you go. I think it will. I forget what it costs. I think $139, something like that. But it looks like it's worth it. We'll see. Yeah, it took a long time to deliver, so cool. Well, there you have it. The X-Wave, and it's the 5-inch screen. Well, hope you're having a good night. I'm having a good night.